Happy Friday, everyone. Coming to you from the confines of indoor spaces again this week. In true April Fool's Day fashion, Old Man Winter returned with another Arctic blast to the south, bringing freezing temperatures and gusty winds for our holiday weekend. In anticipation of yet another landlocked day off the water, I took a stroll through the old burial ground in Beaufort to see how spring was progressing ahead of the approaching cold front. The live oak trees danced in the gentle breezes, ready to exchange last year's foliage with the new spring leaves at the first gust of wind. Unlike most trees that drop their leaves in the fall, live oaks shed their leaves in the spring when their new leaves are ready to take over. I shot some video ahead of the storm, thinking that the forecasted high winds would catapult the copper leaves from their branches. The dogwood trees were filled with flower buds, draped in purple and green. They seemed eager to burst open and expose their delicate white petals for Easter. The azaleas were in varying stages of blooming, and I enjoyed walking around the graveyard to locate the various phases. I tried to capture as many as I could for the video here. The wisteria buds were also bursting open. I also found summer snowflakes. They were ahead of the others, with their petals dangling so delicately from the stems, and their flowers bouncing so gently in the breeze. The camellias were also exposed and waiting for the breeze, birds, or insects to help with their fertilization. I included a diagram as a review of the reproductive process for flowers. The male parts are in the stamen, while the female parts are in the pistil. Transferring the pollen from the anthers to the stigma allows the flower's ovum to be fertilized. Breezes, birds, and bees are great at helping this process. Have a great weekend, everyone, and try to enjoy the spring blooms and the pollen while we wait to get back on the water soon.